Good morning, everyone. Hope you are all doing good. And I'm sure you are watching all my videos. Thank you so much for all your support. So, today I wanted to talk to you about relationship. So, what is that in relationship? Everything is going smooth? Is that what you're thinking? Okay, fine. I wanted to talk about this particular word which is so important when it comes to a relationship, and why it is important and why it is needed. I'm going to explain you that. What is that important word? It is called letting go. So when you are in any kind of relationship, even with your internal relationship, self relationship, you need to be in a position to let go of things that are not working for you in any kind of relationship for that matter. When I say this, you may think like little odd, or it might sound little hard for you, but I understand that. You just I got a client with in my life coaching. He used to ask me, how are you saying this? There are people who has taken a complete who has ripped my life like anything in my career and all that. You are just telling me to let them go, and you're telling me not to take any kind of revenge. How is it possible? In fact, every night I'm having the dream of doing something or the other for them. I just haven't put that into reality. See, coming to the fact is, you can dream of whatever it is. You know what? When you are actually in a position of, in any relationship, and you are in a position of taking a revenge or having some kind of vengeance on others, it is like, in Tamil there is a proverb. They say it is like you are having the poison in your mouth, in your throat, and you are saying the other person to die. That's the thing that is happening when you have vengeance, when you have revenge on others. So what you want me to let go is just let go of all the bad things that has happened to you. Let go. Let you bless them. Actually, let them get out of your life as past or dreams. It is possible. So there are people I have seen who has taken so much of stuff into their head without letting their past life, without letting the past bad incidents that has happened in their life, thinking it several times. In fact, in life, in reality, it has happened only once. But you know what? When you keep on repeating it, you are making it happen again and again in your brain. You were actually taking the same incident repeatedly multiple times, and that's causing so much of impression on your brain. It is not actually healthy at all. And you know what? It actually affects you emotionally, and it spoils your mental peace. I know that you know all these things, but still, letting go is a challenging stuff for many of us. But why do you want to let go? Is for your own health, for your own mental peace. If you have a bigger goal in life, yes, of course, I wanted to connect this to the goal. The reason being, when you focusing on something that has happened a long back and it is no more going to serve you, it is of no use at all. So start focusing on your goals. Start focusing on your family. Start focusing on something that is productive, and just let go of whatever that hasn't worked for you in the past. Whoever has made any kind of mistake to you, whoever has done any bad to you. So it is, see, the biggest thing happens only when you bless and let them go. It is so easy to take revenge of others. It's being human to take revenge of others, but it is, you should be in a God mode to actually go ahead and forgive them. So that's what you are doing when you are doing a letting go. And you know what? When you let go of things, I'm seriously telling you, there are so many good things that can happen to you. In fact, I have this particular incident. There is one other woman. She was actually arguing with me that she has lent some money to someone which is very close relatives, and in fact, instead of returning the money back, they have actually went ahead and fought with her, stating like they haven't borrowed the money itself. They were saying some lie. You know what? This incident has caused so much of impact in that lady, because she was trying to do some good. She just says like, you know what, ma'am, I try to help my relatives, but Now they are like cheating me like anything. They are saying they haven't borrowed the money at all. So do you think am I doing some bad thing? Why do you want me to let them go? I want to take them to the court and all that. See, thing here is, yeah, there is a money issue, you wanted to take it go, but you know what, even in the procedure of taking to through this court case and all that, I said that's the right thing, but you should also be able to focus on your other things in life, not repeatedly thinking of the same thing. So I was just advising, ma'am, to recover your money, it is always good you go to any kind of court or any kind of legal action, but when it comes to your emotional part, you need to let go of things and trust always good things are happening to you. Yeah, that's how we can actually move forward, right? Hope you can actually resonate with me. So if you have any points in your mind with regards to letting go, or if you actually disagree with me, I actually appreciate each one of you actually commenting me in the comment box below. Please go ahead and comment me of whatever that you think of letting go of things in your life. All right, take care, bye bye.